Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Developing the Schedule Part 1. In this segment, we'll discuss defining activities. Defining activities is the process of identifying and documenting all the actions or tasks to be performed to produce project deliverables. This process is part of project time management planning and is crucial for creating the detailed project schedule. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, together with the project scope and deliverables, are the starting point to define activities. The work breakdown structure is a hierarchical decomposition of the total scope of work to be carried out by a project, organized into manageable and logical portions. It's a visual and structural tool that breaks down a project into smaller, more easily understandable components. Each level of the WBS represents a more detailed description of the project work. At the lowest level of the WBS are the work packages, which are the smallest units of work that can be assigned to a specific team or individual. Work packages are often associated with specific timeframes, costs, and resources. At the work package level, we can estimate time and cost with confidence and with high accuracy, and serve as a control point for tracking progress and reporting. The WBS is deliverables-oriented, meaning it focuses on the tangible outputs or outcomes of the project rather than the activities or tasks required to produce them. The WBS creates a common language and understanding among project team, encouraging and facilitating effective collaboration and communication by providing a visual representation of the project structure. The WBS is not a static document. It can be updated and revised as the project progresses, allowing for changes in scope, deliverables, or requirements. While organizing a work breakdown structure, WBS, by deliveries in what is called delivery-oriented WBS is the most common way to organize the WBS, there are many other methods to organize the WBS as follows. 1. Phases or project lifecycle. Organize the WBS based on the different phases or stages of the project. This could include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. Each phase can then be broken down into more detailed deliverables. 2. Department or functional based. Structure the WBS based on the different departments or functional areas involved in the project. This can help in assigning responsibilities and ensuring that each department's contributions are well defined. 3. Geographical based. If the project is spread across different locations or geographical areas, organize the WBS in a way that reflects this distribution. This is useful for projects with a global or multi-site presence. 4. Resource based. Organize the WBS based on the key resources required for the project. This could include human resources, equipment, or technology. It helps in managing and allocating resources effectively. 5. Milestone based. Structure the WBS around key milestones in the project timeline. This provides a clear roadmap of significant achievements and helps in tracking progress against important project goals. 6. Customer-based. Organize the WBS according to the needs and expectations of the customer. This ensures that the project is aligned with customer requirements and focuses on delivering value to them. 7. Risk-based. Organize the WBS around the identification and management of project risks. This helps in addressing potential issues proactively and ensures that risk mitigation is integrated into the project structure. 8. Cost-based. Structure the WBS based on the budget or cost categories. This helps in managing and controlling project costs effectively, ensuring that financial resources are allocated appropriately. 9. Sequential or linear. Organize the WBS in a sequential or linear fashion, where tasks or activities are listed in the order they need to be completed. This approach is useful for projects with a clear, sequential flow. The choice of the organizational structure for the WBS depends on the nature of the project, its complexity, and the specific needs of the project team and stakeholders. Often, a combination of these approaches is used to create a comprehensive and effective work breakdown structure. The figure shows a WBS that has 5 levels for creating a new personal computer project. The uppermost tier of the hierarchy, Level 1, features the project's end item, whether it be a deliverable product or service. It's noteworthy how the levels within this structure cater to different management tiers. Specifically, Level 1 provides an overview of the entire project objective, offering valuable insights for top management. In contrast, Levels 2, 3, and 4 are more pertinent to middle management, while Level 5 is designed for first-line managers. At Level 2, there is a depiction of select deliverables or phases essential for the development of the end product. As an illustration, one such deliverable is the disk storage unit, shaded for clarity. This disk storage unit encompasses 3 subdeliverables: external USB, optical, and hard disks. Furthermore, the hard disk, in turn, breaks down into 4 subdeliverables: motor, circuit board, chassis frame, and read-write head. These subdeliverables, representing the most granular components of the project, serve as the lowest manageable elements. Each of these subdeliverables necessitates the formulation of work packages, which will be assigned to specific organizational units for completion. This successive division approach will be applied to each deliverable, ensuring a comprehensive breakdown of the project structure. It is essential to recognize that not all elements of the work breakdown structure, WBS, need to be divided to the same level. Another example is for a WBS that has 3 levels organized by phases or processes as shown, where the project end product is divided into phases or processes and further broken down into smaller levels till reaching the work packages. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we will continue discussing defining activities. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.